Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today for you I have like a little special thing. So I've done all my makeup except for my eyeshadow. So today for you I'm just going to do eyeshadow. As always, subscribe, thumbs up, share this video, follow me on Instagram at OverTheTopBeauty and Facebook underneath the same name. I'd love to have all of you join me. You know, it's kind of fun. I do some fun stuff, little stories here and there. So without further ado, let's get started. So today for you, I'm using Modern Renaissance by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. And we're going to do something totally different, something that I don't usually like. I'm going to do my makeup a little bit different, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make this look. This is a beautiful palette. Really, overall, a lot of neutrals in it. People get afraid of these colors, but really they go on beautifully, especially on green eyes, blue eyes. These are really pretty colors. So do not shy away from this palette just because you see those pinks. So there's my little tidbit of the day. So to get started, I have primed my eyes. I've done all my makeup. I'm going to move my little bangs out of the way for you so we can start. I'm actually going to be going into the color Burnt Orange right here. Going in with Morphe M573, just tapping into it. I'm just going to put this right kind of into my crease, just barely above my crease. Just working it in, working it in. So I've been asked to do like some quicker videos, so I hope this helps because, you know, a lot of people want to know about eyeshadow. So here I am. I'm going to help you with your eyeshadow game. By the way, yes, I primed my eyes, so don't panic. Always starting in the outside corner, working your way into the inside, because where you want the most of your makeup is in the outside of your eyes at very first, right? This is kind of interesting. I'm trying to do this. So I have my camera attached to my mirror so that I can get closer up. It's a little weird, but it's kind of weird doing my makeup this close up. Oh, actually, you know what I'm going to do? Novel idea. I'm going to use the mirror that came with the palette. You can actually use the Jaclyn Hill JH40 brush. It's just little. They're both about the same size. So I'm going into the color Rilgar. You need a small brush with this one. Just going to pat it on. Taking it in the outside corner. My gosh, I keep freaking forgetting that I have a mirror right here. I'm just going to take it right in this outside corner. Blending it in. I kind of actually want to make like a little bit of a wing, so I'm just going to slightly bring this out, ever so slightly. Not putting any more on my brush. I'm just taking and going to the inside corner here. Not all the way. Do you guys notice where I'm going to? I'm going to right here. So not all the way clear over to the end. I'm just going like almost halfway, a little over halfway. I'm just actually going to go in with that same brush, and I'm going to go into Red Ochre right here. Don't be afraid of these colors. Like, I know that everybody sees these colors and they're like, oh my gosh, they're so, and they're not. So I'm just going to pack this on right here in the outer corner first. I mean, seriously, this is such a beautiful color. Again, I'm just packing in the corner. I'm slightly bringing it up and out. Make sure I did that with the other side. Just going back into with Burnt Orange, just a little bit on my big brush again. And I'm just going to go over the top, just buffing it in, blending it in beautifully. Next, This is so fun, you guys. Like, honestly, you need to try this. I'm taking an angled brush. This is out of my Sephora pack that I bought. And I'm going to go into this color right here. Cypress Umber. And I'm going to make myself an eyeliner. It's pretty slick, actually. So I'm just tapping into it. And I'm just going to take and I'm going to make myself a winged liner with this, okay? I love doing this because it makes it so much softer than doing like a liquid liner or anything like that. And sometimes I just really like a softer, nicer, prettier look. Easy peasy. Next, I'm going in with Primavera, this color right here. I'm actually going to spray my brush. Now, you can use your finger for this. If you have short fingernails, you can. I'm spraying a flat brush, and I'm spraying it with MAC Fix Plus, and I'm just dipping into it. And I'm going to go right in the inner corner, right here. Because I don't want this like a blunt like line right here, I'm just going to go back in to red ochre right here with my pointed brush. I go right back into it. And I'm just going to take and I'm just going to buff it in, starting on the outside corner and working my way into to kind of buff in and blend out that line. Because no one wants a line on their eyes. I'm just going to take and actually brighten up this entire corner. So I'm going to go in with the color Tempera right here. And I'm going in with another brush from the Sephora brand that I bought, the gray ones. And I'm actually going to take and I'm going to brighten up this little inner corner right here. So it's all a little bit brighter. Ooh, yeah, that's really pretty. Softens everything, blends everything in. I'm actually going to take the Cypress Umber. I'm going to take it all the way over. So you guys saw that I only took it halfway. And I'm actually going to take and I'm going to connect it. Yes, I like that a lot. I'm going to go in with my same brush, my little pointed brush. And I think I'm going to go in, I'm going to go into the color Real Gar. And I'm just going to go and blend this underneath and kind of buff it out, smudge it out, blend it in with the top eye. We're going to go into the color Cypress Umber next with my pointed brush, right? And we're just going to make a line right here, right underneath. Can I make like any uglier faces? I don't feel like I do. Like, I mean, seriously, like my face, I keep like ugly, ugly. So just ignore all my dumb faces that I make. Right along the lash line, right? So right here. Now, I will have to say this. I've been using a ton of other brands, as you guys kind of know, so I can kind of try out new things. And I've never noticed this about Anastasia of Beverly Hills, but she makes her palettes that they're so soft in the pan that all of them, like, I don't think you can see it. They kind of just like flake everywhere. So you've got to be super careful. I would highly recommend to not do your foundation first, to put these colors on and then do your foundation and set it and everything else like that. And then you'd be golden, but it's got a lot of fallout. She's got a lot of fallout. So I'm just going to take this pointy brush and I'm just going to blend it in so it doesn't look like a big old line, right? Then I'm next going to go in. See, it gets all in the other colors and it irritates me. I'm going to go in with this color right here. Vermeer. And we're just going to go right into we're going to put it right in the inner corner, right here. And I'm actually going to take and I'm going to put it right at the very top, right underneath my brow bone, just to give a little added pop of shine right there. So this is the finished look for you. Today I used the Kiss 01 eyelashes. I'm really liking them. Do you see how big they are? They have a really big span. I think they're really super beautiful. They're not too much. They're pliable, which I like. I hate those ones that are like, you put them on and they're like, right? Like they hurt your eyeballs because they're so hard. So these ones I really super like. I hope you guys enjoyed. Quick eyeshadow tutorial. Thank you again for joining me. Again, follow me on Instagram at Over the Top Beauty and the same with Facebook. Have a great day, you guys.